Hello guys, welcome. Welcome back on a technology welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial. How to unlock the screen passcode of any iPhone device. Right now this device is unavailable for 5 minutes. Yes, we would like to get a quick solution for it. But any device, any Apple device that is locked with a screen passcode, Face ID or Touch ID, if you don't know or you are not a genuine in that condition also, this status will works. Just we will go for an administrator, this tool, and we will have see four feature of this tool. This tool is specially designed to break or remove the various kind of the security of Apple device. So right now, see if you would like to remove especially Apple ID from any iPhones, yes, by selection this feature, this can be. Here is a unlock iOS screen. By using this feature, we can unlock Face ID as well as touch or a screen passcode of any iPhones. But see third ones, if you would like to unlock the screen time passcode, if your Apple device as well as the iPhones that is locked with the screen time passcode, this can be also removed by using this feature. And this one is mobile device management. When your iPhone has been linked with or locked with mobile device management locks, this can be removed also by using this feature. But right now, what's the problem on this device? This is unavailable for. And when we enter the wrong passcode again, then it will be extended for half an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. So that means if we are not an owner of this device, of course we will come with this strategy by this feature. And here is a string that put your device in DFU mode or into DFU mode manually, then we will. So see guys, here for it we have a first up volume, down volume, then we will here. Now we will close it, and then once again guys, we will keep holding these ones together. Now see, this sign has given that your device has been dressed in DFU mode guys. Just a little bit I will back, and once again we will start. So all the detail has come here. We have two options. One is manually select the IPSW. Wherever you have the capped after downloading from any official website, but right now just we will come with this via downloading this one. So it has started to verify, and now this device is in DFU mode, but it's not showing on black screen is coming sometimes on this iPhone. So don't worry, some of the Apple device it will give you black screen, but don't worry for it. Just now it's in a DFU mode. So download it successfully, just we will unlock it. So now we will click here to yes, and now it has started unzipping the firmware. So we will have to wait and watch till it's not going to unlock in this device guys. So now see it's unzipping. After unzipping this firmware, then it will start to load this new firmware, and then of course we will check it out thus this screen passcode has been removed or not. We will have to wait and watch till it's not going to unlock. So now see guys, here it has started to unlock the screen passcode, and of course 4% 5% we have completed. So to know more detail about this tool, you can visit on this website. There is a discount coupon key also, but now it's just rebooting, so we will wait. There are a lot of the tool that has been developed by this website, but right now, especially on this tool, iPhone Unlocker, there is a discount 30%, so you can have to know more detail. You can visit of this website. So now see guys, here we are on a hello screen. Just we will select the language, then of course we will select the here this setting, and upon we will go for the manually these ones. Yes, here we will have to select continue. So we will here select the Wi-Fi. We will join here, guys. Yes, we have the connected Wi-Fi. Now we have to see here, wait, it's activating. Just we will have to wait 1 minute more. So now see, we have done it successfully. Just we will go for continue, set up this later. Of course we will set up this later, so we will don't use. We will come with this. Yes, we don't have, just we will select and then we will set up this later, don't use. Yes, we will accept term and condition. We will go for continue, not now, disable. Yes, set up this later, don't save. Yes, we will come with this. So now see, guys, here, yes, there is no any screen passcode on this, especially now see. Now see, guys, here. So this is all about in this video tutorial.